Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see question number 3 of exercise 9.4 of class 8th. Question number 3 is simplify. It means whatever is given we have to solve and we have to check our answer is in the simple term or not. Its first is x square minus 5. This binomial expression is multiplying by x plus 5. Okay, these 1 and 2 expression are multiplying because none of the symbol is here. So these two expressions are multiplying each other. After that plus 25. So this 25 will be at the remain same at the end. We will simply multiply starting to expression. Our first expression, first term is x square and its second term is minus 5. This term will multiply second expression each term, that is x plus 5, here x plus 5. Okay. So plus 25 will remain same at the end. Okay, now we will do the multiplication. X is to power 2, x is to power 1. So it will become 2 plus 1 is 3. Then x is to power 2 is multiplying by 5. So it will give 5 x is to power 2 minus plus minus 5 into x is 5x minus plus is minus 5 into 5 is 25, positive 25 as it is. You can see the constant term minus 25 plus 25. When we did minus plus we will get 0. It means we can cut negative 25 with positive 25. Its answer will be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Once again you can check all the variables are different with each other. Here is x cube, here is x square and here is x. Now we will see second question. Second is a square plus 5. B square plus 3. These two expression is multiplying by each other plus 5. Okay, so this plus 5 we will not touch it because this plus 5 is adding in the multiplication of these two expression. So firstly we will distribute the first expression each term, that is a square and positive 5. This each term is multiplying in the second expression. So we will multiply second expression as b square plus 3 and here b square plus 3. Then this positive 5 will come at the end as it is. Okay. Now here we have a square b cube. So a square b cube as it is, plus plus is plus, a square multiplied by 3 is 3a square, plus plus is plus, 5 into b cube is 5b cube, plus plus is plus, 5 3s are 15 and positive 5 as it is. Okay. In the first term we have a square b cube. In the second term we have a square only. In the third term we have b cube only. So we will not touch 1, 2, 3 terms. Fourth term is 15 and fifth term is 5. Plus plus is plus. 15 plus 5 is 20 with positive symbol. And other terms will be same as it is like previous step in the answer. So this is the answer of second one. Now third one is t plus s square. This expression is multiplying by t square minus s. So firstly we will distribute each element of first expression, that is t plus s square. It will be multiplying by second expression, so that t square minus s square is also multiplying by second expression, that is t square minus s. So that t is to power 1 multiplying by t is to power 2. So t is to power 1 plus 2 is 3, plus minus is minus, t into s is s t in the alphabetical order, then plus plus is plus s square t square. So it will give us s square t square, plus minus is minus s square s is to power 2 s is to power 1. So it will give us s is to power 3. In this expression we have each term is different from each other, so here will be our answer. Fourth is a plus b multiplied by c minus d plus a minus b multiplied by c plus d plus 2 multiplied by ac plus bd. In this question you can see we have 2 places are having positive symbols. It means this is the first thing, this is the second thing, and this is the third thing that we have to apply with multiplication symbol. Okay, so I am solving this first two. Okay, so a b is multiplying in the second expression. So a multiply c minus d plus b multiply by c minus d. Before going on the second and third, firstly I am solving this one. Okay, so that a into c is ac, plus minus is minus, a into d is ad, plus plus is plus, b into c is bc, plus minus is minus, b into d is bd. Okay, so first multiplication is over. Now we can jump on the second. Okay, so plus as it is, a and minus b will multiply in the second one. So a multiply by c plus d minus b multiply by c plus d. It will be plus plus plus, a into c is ac, plus plus is plus, a into d is ad, minus plus is minus, b into c is bc, minus plus is minus, b into d is bd. Okay, now second is also solved. We will on the third one. Third one is simple. 2 into ac is 2ac, 2 into bd is plus 2bd. It will again same as it is in the second line, that is 2ac plus 2bd. Okay, now you can see our AC and this AC is same as it is, having the same symbol. So plus 1 AC plus 1 AC. So it will give us 2 AC. Okay, now you can see minus AD. We will search AD term. Okay, here BC, BD, AC, AD. Here AD is in the minus, but here it is positive. So we can cut them. Okay, now BC, this positive BC will cut with negative BC. Okay, now here we have minus BD minus BD. So they will give us minus 2BD. The last two terms as it is will come here, 2AC plus 2BD. You can again see here minus 2BD will cut with positive 2BD. Variables are same but having different symbol, so they will give us answer as 0. Okay, that's why we are cutting them by minus to positive having same variable. Now 2AC plus 2AC, it will give us 4AC as answer. Okay. Fifth is x plus y multiply by 2x plus y. So firstly we will solve these two, after that plus x plus 2y multiply by x minus y. So firstly I am distributing x and y. So here it is, this x and y are multiplying in 2x plus y. Here it is 2x plus y. Now x into 2x, so 1 into 2 is 2, x is to power 1, x is to power 1. So it will give us x is to power 2, x into y is xy, plus plus is plus, 1 2 is 2, y into x is xy, plus into plus is plus, y into y is y square. Now second term, that is plus x plus 2y, it will multiply by x minus y and x minus y, plus plus is plus, x is to power 1, x is to power 1, so it will give us x is to power 2, plus minus is minus, x into y is xy, plus into plus, plus 2yx will give us 2xy, plus minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2, y into y is y square. You can see here we have some term which is just same as having same variable but different symbol. Here we have positive xy and here we have minus xy, so it will cut to each other. Now here we have x square, any x square term is here? Yes. So here we have 1 time x square, here we have 2 time x square, so we will get 3 time x square. Okay. Now plus 2 time xy plus 2 time xy, so 2 plus 2 is 4xy. Now positive y square minus 2y square, so plus minus is minus, 2 minus 1 is 1 and variable will be same having greater number symbol. So this is the solution of fifth one. Sixth is x minus x plus y multiply by x square minus xy plus y square. It means the elements of first expression will multiply in the second expression. So x plus y, x will multiply by x square minus xy plus y square. Same as it is here, x square minus xy plus y square. So x into x square, x is to power 1, x is to power 2, it will give us x is to power 3 minus x is to power 1, x is to power 1 will give x raised to power 2 y plus x into y square will give us x y square. Okay. Now second term will multiply, plus plus is plus, y into x square is x square y plus minus is minus, y into xy is x, y is to power 1, y is to power 1 is y is to power 2 plus y is to power 1, y is to power 2 is y is to power 3. Okay, here we have negative x square y, here we have positive x square y, so they can cut each other. Here also positive xy square, here minus xy square, so they can cut each other. The remaining term will be our answer, x cube plus y cube. This is our answer. 7th is 1.5x minus 4y will multiply by 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. You can see in the first term we have multiplicative of expression, but the second and third term will not multiply any term, so it will remain same. Okay, so only multiplication of first term. So first term of first expression is 1.5x, it will multiply by first term second expression is 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Now minus 4y will multiply 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, now minus 4.5x plus 12y as it is. Okay, firstly we have to do the multiplication of 1.5 multiplied by 1.5. So its multiplication we will see here, 1.5, 1.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 is here, 2 on the carry. 5 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 1 5 is 5, 1 1 is 1. Now we will add them. 5 as it is, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 on the carry. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here after decimal 1 place, after decimal 1 place, so 1 place is 2 place, so we have to leave 1 2 values and we will put here decimal. So 1.5 multiplied by 1.5, its answer is 2.25. X into x is x square, plus into plus is plus. Now 1.5 multiply by 4. Okay, 1.5 multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 on the carry. 4 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Here after decimal 1 place, it means we have to leave only one value, then decimal will come. So this is only 6. So that 1.5 when multiplied by 4, it will give us 6. X into y is x y. Then plus into plus is plus. Now our 1.5 is multiplying by 3. Okay, so 1.5 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 on the carry. 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4. Here after decimal 1 value, so we have to leave 1 value, then decimal will come. So 1.5 multiplied by 3, its answer is 4.5. So here 4.5, x1 is x. Okay, now it's time to second term. Now 4 into 4y minus plus is minus 4 into 1.5. 4 into 1.5 is 6. So here 6, y into x is x y. Okay, minus plus is minus. Okay, 4 fours are 16. Y into y is y square. Now minus plus is minus. 4 threes are 12 and y into y is 1 is y. Now multiplication was over. These two remaining term will remain same. 4.5x plus 12y. Just nearby you can see negative 12y and positive 12y will cut each other. Okay, and positive 6xy will cut negative 6xy. Okay, and one more thing is 4.5x, which is positive, it will cut negative 4.5x. So only two terms is remaining, whose answer will be 2.25 x square, and second is minus 16y square. This is the answer of 7th one. 8th question is, in this question we have the multiplication of trinomial expression with trinomial expression. So first trinomial expression we will distribute like a plus b plus c. This each term will multiply by second expression. Second expression is a plus b minus c, a plus b minus c, a plus b minus c. Now a into a is a square, a into b is ab, a into minus c is minus ac. Now b into a is ab, b into b is b square, b into minus c is minus bc. Now c into a is ac, c into b is bc, c into minus c is minus c square. Okay, now firstly you can see here we have minus ac, which is just same as ac. Okay, so minus and positive ac will cut each other. Here minus bc, positive bc, so they will cut each other, so that the remaining term is a square plus ab plus ab. One time ab, one time ab, so they will give us 2 times ab, then b square, then minus c square. So here we completed our exercise of 8th class, which is exercise 9.4.